We got a max pulse from a Bluetooth ear thing that's not even connected near or being utilized by a phone. Just run through some numbers here. That's microvolts per meter, microamps per meter, not micro but milliamps per meter. Milliwatts per meter squared, microwatts per centimeter squared, and have millivolts per meter. Okay. Here we are, once again, the natural levels found. Usually 0.3 to 0.8. We got a 0.2 right now. I'm going to click this thing on. Oh, got quite a bit higher. I just want to see if this thing just pulses out. Oh. I guess once it finds that it doesn't have a phone to connect to, the level goes away eventually. But we'll have to do this experiment with a phone and see if the level stays up or what happens. Ooh, 7,000. Okay, see if we can get that. See what the max pulse was. See if it comes right out of the ear. Plantronics. Well, that's quite a bit of radiation go right into your ear and to the side of your neck and head. So there you go. If anybody wondered how much energy gets out of a Bluetooth wireless ear pod, that's what you get. Less than a cell phone, yep. Still stuck in your ear, radiating. We'll post. I'll get a cell phone someplace, and we'll try to get some measurements with the cell phone involved.